Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Elantra's interior rearview mirror. First, gather your necessary tools and prepare your workspace. We will then proceed with carefully detaching the old mirror from its windshield mount. Finally, I will guide you through installing the new mirror and performing essential checks to ensure it functions correctly. This process typically takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Before starting, gather a few essential items. You will need a small flat blade screwdriver, a Torx T20 bit, and a ratchet for the set screw. A clean cloth is also helpful to protect your windshield during the process. Always confirm your new mirror's mounting style, such as a wedge mount, matches your vehicle's existing bracket for a seamless fit. To remove the old mirror, begin by gently prying off the plastic trim cover at the mirror's base using a flat blade screwdriver. Next, locate and loosen the small Torx set screw, usually a T20, at the bottom of the mirror mount. Do not remove it completely. With the screw loosened, firmly slide the mirror upwards or twist it counterclockwise to release it from the windshield bracket. If your mirror has features like auto-dimming, carefully disconnect its electrical harness. Now for installation, first connect the electrical harness to your new mirror if it has power features. Carefully align the new mirror's mounting arm with the bracket on your windshield. Slide the mirror downwards or twist it clockwise until it securely locks into place. Once seated, tighten the Torx set screw to hold it firmly, but do not over-tighten. Finally, snap the plastic trim cover back into position, completing your replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.